Hi. I had a really intense night last night. Yeah, I opened up to someone about everything, like in gruesome detail, and because I never really deal with things, I just kind of leave them to fester, and then I ignore them, and then they just sit there forever. So this is the best that I felt in like 2 years. But yeah, so if you have something about yourself that you can't explain, then just talk to someone about everything that you've ever done ever. That's horrible or awful, or you're really embarrassed about, because it really doesn't matter because that person loves you. So, recommended by Tessa. And in light of that, I started thinking about Christine, the girl who died a couple of years ago. Not a couple of years ago, last year, and just about her. So and I'm writing a song for her. I'm writing a lot of songs actually at the moment, but I can't finish them because I keep procrastinating or something. I don't know what I do. I just sit there and watch YouTube videos. I'm just going to be straight up honest. But so here's Addicted by Simple Plan for Christine. Wherever you are, and I hope that you enjoy it as well. Okay. I heard you're doing okay, but I want you to know I'm addicted to you. I can't pretend I don't care. You don't think about me. Do you think that I deserve this? I tried to make you happy, but you left anyway. I'm trying to forget that I'm addicted to you. And I want it, I need it. I'm addicted to you. Now it's over. Can't forget what you said. And I never wanna do this again. Heartbreaker, heartbreaker. Since the day I met you, after all we've been through, still I'm addicted to you. I think you know that it's true. I'd run 1,000 miles to get you. Do you think that I deserve this? I tried to make you happy, did all that I could just to keep you, but you left anyway. I'm trying to forget that I'm addicted to you, but I want it, I need it. I'm addicted to you. Now it's over. Can't forget what you said, and I never wanna do this again. Heartbreaker, heartbreaker. How long will I be waiting until the end of time? Don't know why I'm still waiting. I can't make you mine. I'm trying to forget that I'm addicted to you. I want it, I need it. I'm addicted to you. Now it's over. Can't forget what you said. I never wanna do this again. Heartbreaker, heartbreaker, heartbreaker. I'm addicted to you. Yeah. But seriously, if you do have something that you've never told anyone, tell someone. Even if you're really embarrassed about it, it helps. Because I don't know why, it just does. So yeah, my 2 cents. Bye!